Let's see how ChatGPT Tasks feature actually responds. So again, go to the profile, tasks, set a new task. We will test out, give me 10 video ideas to do with ChatGPT for my YouTube channel AI Legend. Now I'm not sure if this uses memory, because obviously ChatGPT would now know all about my YouTube channel, but we'll see. Please remind me, please not remind me, but please send them through every day at 3, it's currently 3:29, so we'll give it some grace in case my clock's wrong. 3:33 p.m. Got it. I'll send them through every day at 3:33. Click on that. You can edit it daily, 3:33. Don't to save. Alright, I'm going to pause this and I'll get back to you in 3 minutes or so whenever we get the notification. Alrighty. We've got the email. You can see here it was sent at 3:33. View message. I'm going to have to blur a whole lot of the screen out, but let's go view message and see what we've got. 5 mind-blowing ways to use ChatGPT for productivity, better content. So there you go. So with that setting, every day at 3:33 p.m, we're going to get 10 video ideas. You can also use this for real-time stock market pricing. So can you please send me the stock price of Oxy every day at... Now I don't know if this is going to work. Okay, beautiful. So you can create new ones while in the same chat as another one. Let's just check that. Tasks. There we have it. Delete those. You can edit it to go daily, weekly. So for me, I start my work Thursday mornings, 7 a.m. So I might just leave that one going and we'll see what happens. Today is Thursday. So next Thursday, we'll see what happens. Alright, thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, hit the like button, subscribe for more future content. Thanks again. Have a good one.